Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. The Raptor 3 and Starfactory secrets. How did SpaceX secretly re-engineer the Raptor 3 rocket engine? Based on the May 2026 clean plumbing design updates. What happens when the Starfactory starts mass-producing starships like cars? Based on automated production lines for Block 3 and 4 holes. Why is SpaceX replacing complex rocket assemblies with single-piece metal stamping? Based on upgrading components to permanently cut manual labor. How does SpaceX spot hidden metal damage without touching the rocket? Based on automated acoustic weld integrity mapping. The $75 billion IPO and corporate spies. Can SpaceX keep its secrets safe after the massive June 2026 IPO? Based on protecting core trade secrets under a public corporate structure. Why does SpaceX hide its best rocket tech from the Public Patent Office? Based on intellectual capital moating and trade secret security. How does SpaceX stop corporate spies from stealing Starship's autopilot code? Based on enforcing isolated, zero-trust digital boundaries around source code. Will SpaceX lose its top engineers if post-IPO stock growth slows down? Based on retaining high-prestige talent without rapid option compensation. Orbital battles and coastal red tape. What happens to Earth's orbit now that Starlink passed 6,000 satellites? Based on physical low Earth orbit density and slot allocations. How will SpaceX stop a catastrophic chain reaction collision in space? Based on rising collision avoidance liabilities and predictive asset depletion modeling. How does SpaceX legally block rivals from global satellite airwaves? Based on spectrum capital scarcity and regulatory frequency rights. What if new environmental laws force SpaceX to shut down in Texas? Based on land-based launch assets exposing the company to coastal rule changes. Infrastructure redundancy and deep tech. Why is SpaceX urgently building floating offshore launch pads? Based on using IPO capital to hedge against domestic zoning restrictions. How does SpaceX's new Pad 2 guarantee they can launch anytime they want? Based on decentralized launch pad infrastructure and flight redundancy. Why is SpaceX building its own secret metal foundries? Based on expanding internal metallurgical research assets to isolate raw material supply. 7. Key resources. SpaceX's key resources are heavily weighted toward physical, intellectual, and structural infrastructure. The company transforms raw technological assets into unique competitive moats that are incredibly difficult for rivals to copy. 8 mini case studies. 1. Proprietary propulsion portfolios. Raptor 3. The successful May 2026 debut of the Raptor 3 engine on Starship Flight 12 demonstrates a premier intellectual asset. By increasing internal cooling paths and removing exterior plumbing, SpaceX locked down an unmatched thrust-to-weight ratio asset entirely in-house. 2. Decentralized heavy launch pad infrastructure. Operating multi-site launch architectures, including the newly operational Pad 2 at Starbase along with active upgrades at historic LC-39A, gives SpaceX a highly valuable physical footprint that guarantees launch redundancy. 3. Orbital spectrum and frequency rights. Securing multiband radio frequency allocations through international regulatory frameworks represents a finite, non-physical resource. This spectrum portfolio keeps competitors from blocking Starlink's global data footprints. 4. The mass production Starfactory. Shifting aerospace from custom builds to factory lines, the expanding Starfactory assembly footprint in Texas allows SpaceX to mass-produce multiple Starship Block 3 and Block 4 hulls simultaneously, speeding up asset creation. 5. The active 6000 plus LEO satellite fleet. The physical mesh of active satellites in orbit constitutes a massive asset. This constellation functions as a unified, global hardware engine that prints high-margin service revenue daily. 6. Custom ASIC and antenna designs. Designing proprietary microchips for user terminals allows SpaceX to retain valuable hardware IP. This custom chip architecture lowers terminal manufacturing costs while maintaining high electronic tracking speeds. 7. The post-IPO $75 billion liquid capital buffer. The massive primary cash injection from the June 2026 public market debut provides an unprecedented financial resource. This liquid cushion insulates long-term R&D pipelines from sudden macroeconomic shocks. 8. High-prestige aerospace human capital. Cultivating an elite engineering workforce that tolerates high operational intensity gives SpaceX a rare talent engine. The team can execute rapid physical design updates far faster than traditional legacy contractors. For open-ended questions. Question 1. How will SpaceX preserve and protect its core propulsion intellectual property as it moves from a tightly controlled private company into a highly scrutinized public corporate structure? Question 2. What are the structural limits of orbital slot resource allocation before physical low Earth orbit density creates rising collision avoidance liabilities? Question 3. Can SpaceX continue to attract top-tier engineering human capital if post-IPO stock growth stabilizes, reducing the allure of rapid, high-upside option compensation? Question 4. To what degree does relying on land-based launch infrastructure assets expose the company to severe regulatory holdups if coastal environmental rules change? For core financial explanations. Intellectual capital moating. Protecting proprietary engineering innovations through operational trade secret security rather than public patent databases, preventing competitors from copying advanced designs. Physical asset multiplier dynamics. Maximizing the financial utility of launch pad structures by increasing flight cadences, which steadily drops the fixed capital cost assigned to each mission. Spectrum capital scarcity. Navigating regulatory bodies to secure exclusive data frequency bands, creating a valuable asset layer that locks out competing communications networks. Asset lifecycle capitalization. Tracking and extending the operational lifespan of physical assets, like reusing boosters past 20+ flights, to transform immediate manufacturing expenses into long-term profit centers. For implementation plans. Plan 1. Pad proliferation, then, acquire and upgrade inactive Space Coast launch pads. Plan 2. Semiconductor locks, then, secure dedicated fabrication lines for custom ASICs. Plan 3. Orbital path extensions, then, deploy autonomous deorbiting protocols to cycle old assets. Plan 4. Talent pipeline links, then, establish exclusive university aerospace fellowship loops. For implementation processes. 1. Propulsion upgraded rollout. Finalize Raptor 3 testing data logs, then shift Starfactory production lines to exclusively assemble the clean plumbing configurations, then route finished engines to Starbase integration bays, then deploy on active Block 3 vehicles. 2. Orbital slot allocation capture. Model optimal network coverage gaps, then file detailed orbital coordinate applications with international communications bodies, then secure temporary conditional launch nodes, then deploy active satellite payloads to lock down the frequency slot. 3. Hardware capital auditing. Track individual flight hours and stress measurements across recovered stages, then feed data into centralized asset valuation systems, then adjust standard depreciation timelines based on real performance metrics, then clear units for flight. 4. ASIC supply chain safeguarding. Design custom microchip architectures internally, then submit layout profiles to premier foundry partners under strict security firewalls, then buy upfront production capacity tranches, then route finished silicon directly to terminal assembly plants. For actionable recommendations. Prioritize launch infrastructure expansion. Allocate a significant portion of incoming IPO capital to accelerate the build-out of offshore mobile launch pads to hedge against domestic zoning restrictions. Expand internal metallurgical research assets. Invest heavily in proprietary foundry capabilities to develop custom, high-durability alloys, fully isolating vehicle construction from commercial raw metal supply swings. Establish segmented software repositories. Enforce isolated, zero-trust digital boundaries around core autopilot and orbital routing source codes to neutralize insider cyber-espionage risks. Formalize regional field office outposts. Build satellite engineering satellite facilities near top academic research hubs to continuously harvest top-tier engineering talent ahead of competitors. 4 tactical to-do items. Complete the asset valuation inventory for all physical machinery housed within the Texas Starfactory. Verify frequency safety margins for the next generation of direct-to-cell communications satellites. Update the internal training logs for launch pad safety teams managing the new Pad 2 setup. Renew multi-year capacity agreements with high-purity liquid methane chemical suppliers. 4 practical techniques. Acoustic weld integrity mapping, using automated ultrasonic sensor bands to instantly scan returned vehicle frames, finding hidden metal stress without manual inspections. Predictive asset depletion modeling, running simulated wear charts to precisely predict when specific launch assets will need complete structural replacement. Dynamic capacity fleet allocation, shifting mobile drone ship assets across geographic ocean locations to match seasonal weather windows, maximizing booster recovery rates. Compartmentalized knowledge trees, splitting complex engineering blueprints into distinct submodules to keep systemic design keys out of any single employee's hands. 4 practical steps. 1. Review historical component tracking logs to isolate parts that require frequent manual assembly adjustments. 2. Hand the redesign task to the automated stamping or 3D printing group to create a single-piece component alternative. 3. Run the automated prototype through extreme vibrating and thermal test blocks to confirm durability. 4. Roll the single-piece design onto the main manufacturing line to permanently lower manual labor hours. Want to master the exact infrastructure and resource blueprint behind SpaceX's multi-billion-dollar empire? If this breakdown of their latest 2026 tech and IPO strategy blew your mind, take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our deep dives into the absolute limit of modern business engineering. Before you click away, don't forget to check out the links pinned in the description below to download your free study materials and handouts to keep a copy of this operational breakdown. Access our free, advanced chapter, online tutorials to decode the complex economics of physical asset capitalization. Share this video with an engineering student, tech investor, or friend who needs a masterclass in building an uncopyable business moat. The information presented in this video is compiled with the assistance of AI and may not be entirely accurate or complete. It is provided for business case study, educational, and entertainment purposes only and should not be construed as financial or investment advice.